ये व्हाट इज जीएसटी रेट, करंट जीएसटी रेट ऑन ब्रिक्स, क्या करे। इसमें तो 12% है
6% विदाउट आईटीसी, 12% विथ आईटीसी।
और ये चेंज नहीं किया इन्होंने। स्पेशल कंपोजिशन स्कीम ऑन अदर देन सैंड लाइन ब्रिक्स को 5% में शायद ले आए हैं, was implemented with effect from 1st April 2022 based on the report of group of ministers on capacity based taxation and special composition scheme which was accepted। अब स्पेशल कंपोजिशन स्कीम सेक्शन 10 में नहीं है, वह नोटिफिकेशन है, which was accepted by GST Council in its 45th meeting। Under the scheme, BRICS attracted GST of 6% without ITC and 12% with ITC with threshold limit for BRICS at rupees 20 lakh instead of 40 lakh as is applicable of to good। ये चेंज नहीं किया, इसको चेंज कर देते हैं। The GST Council in its 56th meeting did not recommend any change on the special composition scheme rates except on sand line bricks on which GST rate has been recommended to be reduced from 12 to 5%। Hence, all kinds of bricks except sand line bricks continue to attract GST of 6% without ITC and 12% with a threshold limit of 20 lakh। ये जूम चलता है मिनट्स के अंदर रिसर्च कर रहा हूं। व्हाट आर टैक्स रेट प्रपोज ऑन ब्रिक्स और रेगुलर क्ले ब्रिक्स, बिल्डिंग ब्रिक्स आर टैक्स एट 5%, क्ले ब्रिक्स आर केप्ट एट टैक्स एट रेट ऑफ 5%। फ्लाई ऐश ब्रिक्स, initially fly ash bricks were proposed to be taxed at 18%, but this was later reduced to 12% during the 14th GST Council meeting। ऐसा हुआ था क्या? In 22nd GST Council meeting, there was a proposal to reduce the rate of tax on fly ash bricks from 12 to 5%। In 23rd GST Council meeting, the rate of tax on fly ash bricks was reduced from 12 to 5%. The rate of tax on fly ash aggregators with 90% or more fly ash content falling under chapter heading this was also reduced to 5%। Brick kiln special composition scheme. In 45th GST Council meeting, a special composition scheme for brick kilns was approved with GST rate of 6% without ITC, 12% with ITC, a threshold limit of 20 lakh। This scheme was to come into effect with effect from 1st April 2022। The table in the search, ये references आपको मिल जाएगा, इतने सारे, प्लस आप प्रिंट भी कर सकते हैं। ये इस तरह से पीडीएफ।
सर ये सब एफएक्यू ला रहे, नोटिफिकेशन तो आता ही नहीं है अभी।
हाँ, ये पहले से समझा